Guys, in this video, you will learn how you can create Facebook posts automatically from Google Sheets using SwitchBoard Canvas application. So guys, here we have connected Google Sheet as our trigger application and SwitchBoard Canvas and Facebook as the applications, as the action applications inside the automation workflow. And guys, here you have to add the details of an image post that you want to create out of SwitchBoard Canvas. And as you add the data, the image will be created automatically and the same image will be posted on Facebook automatically. And guys, we can set up this automation with the help of Pabbly Connect, which is an automation tool. And you can set up this automation without any coding very easily. So let's start. So this is the landing page of Pabbly Connect. From here you can set up your free Pabbly Connect account and you will get free automation tasks every month to test and set up your automations. Okay, so you can just sign up right now, and after that you have to sign in and reach the Pabbly Connect product, and you will reach the dashboard here. And guys, here you have to click on this create workflow button to create an automation workflow, and here you can give any suitable name to this workflow as well. So I'm giving the name here as Google Sheets to Facebook. Okay, and after giving the name, just click on this create button and you can see your workflow page is getting ready here. Alright, and on this page guys, you will find these two modules, the trigger and the action. So with the help of these two things, you can set up any automation. So here in the trigger section, you have to connect the trigger application. Trigger application is that application in which the trigger event is going to occur. And the trigger event is that event which is going to actually start this workflow, and the action is the consequence to the trigger. Okay, or the response towards the trigger. So here you have to connect the action applications. Okay, so first of all, let us connect our trigger app, which is Google Sheets. Here is the Google Sheets that I have created for this purpose guys, and here I have added all these details, and with the help of these details I'm going to create an image out of SwitchBoard Canvas. So first of all, select the Google Sheet application here. Okay, and in the trigger event guys, you have to select this new or updated spreadsheet option, and it will give you this URL. With the help of this webhook URL guys, you can make a connection with Google Sheets, and after that you can fetch the response of that webhook connection. So guys, to make this connection, you can follow these steps written here. You can read the steps and follow them one by one, or you can watch a tutorial video here. You can see we have a link attached with this word. You can see watch tutorial here. When you click on it, you will reach this YouTube channel, and here we have created a separate video on how to connect Google Sheet in the trigger and fetch the data. Okay, so you can learn the connection from this video. Okay, and after that you can fetch the response from your spreadsheet to here. So let me show you how you can fetch the response. So guys, when you are done installing the add-on, you will find this initial setup, and here you have to paste the webhook URL that you got in your workflow. So you have to click on copy from here, and you have to paste this URL here. So I have opened the spreadsheet in an incognito window because I am using multiple Google accounts in the same browser. So if you are also doing that, you have to open it in a incognito window to make the connection properly. Okay, and I'm pasting the webhook URL here, and here I have entered the trigger column name. And guys, you can see as I have copied the URL, it started showing waiting for the response. So to get the test response now, here we have a send test button in the initial setup. You can see, so when you click on send test, the data of the first row that you have in your spreadsheet will be sent to your workflow as the test data. So I'm clicking on send test. Okay, and here you can see the test data is sent successfully, is written here. So let's check in our workflow if we got the data captured. So here you can see guys, in this response section we got the data like this. It is showing the post link, the publishing date, post caption, the featuring image. This is the same data that I had here. You can see link of my blog, the date, the caption, and the image that is attached. Okay, so we got the data here. Now you can go back to the spreadsheet, click on submit in the initial setup, and you can see the setup is configured here, and you can close this window, and from this extensions option right here, go to the Pabbly Connect webhooks add-on and select this send on event option as well. So when you select the send on event option, whenever you are going to add any new data here, the workflow is going to be triggered and it will start running. Okay, so here we got the data. Now if we want to create an image with the help of switchboard canvas, so in this action step I am going to search for switchboard canvas. Okay, and then select the action event as create images and click on connect, and from here select add new connection, and here it is asking for the API key of switchboard canvas that you will find here in the switchboard canvas application in the template section. So when you click on templates, let me save this template. Okay, and under the template section we have this view your API key button. Click on it and you can copy this key and you have to paste this key here in this field. Okay, then click on save and you will be connected with switchboard canvas. So in switchboard canvas, guys, we have created a template by which we can create multiple images. So let me show you. This is the template I have created, guys. The name of this template is tweet-2, and here in this template we have these three elements: the text box element, the name element, and the image element, and this background is going to remain the same, but we can change these three things here. With the help of automation, we can change these three things automatically and create new images that we can share on Facebook. So to get this data changed, we are going to first select the template here. So it will show you the templates list. From here, let me map this one, tweet-2. Here it is asking for the width and the height of the image. So I'm going to put the standard parameters of the width and the height. So I'm putting the width as this. Okay, and the height as this. Okay, and in the tweet, this is the tweet element or the text element. The name of this element is tweet. Okay, so here I can change the text and I'm going to map the text that I have received from my spreadsheet. This is the text I have received. You can see that was here previously. Okay, and let me map this data here in this field. You can see when you click here, it will show you the Google Sheet step in the drop down. And when you click on it, it will show you the data right here. From here, you can map the text. And here the handle field show you this element, this one. Okay, so here you can place your name or your Facebook profile's name. So I'm putting the name manually here. You can also do this. You can put the names manually. And in the profile pic, I'm going to use the previous data and I'm going to map the image link that I have here like this. Okay. Now we can create an image by clicking on save and send test request. So I'm clicking here. And you will get a new image created with the URL here in this response. You can see we got a new image URL here with the help of switchboard canvas. You can see this image as well. You can see a new image is created here with the help of switchboard, and you can see the image got changed, the name got changed, and the text got changed here. The template was this, and here the data got changed and new image is created. That's how you can create new images, and now you can send those images to any other application. Here we are using Facebook to share this image. So I am clicking here on this plus icon. And another action step will open up like this. From here you can search for Facebook. Here you can see we have all these Facebook options. Right now I'm using Facebook pages option. And in the action event, select create page photo option. Create page photo. Then click on connect. From here select add new connection. Then click on connect with Facebook pages. Okay. And you can see as I have already logged in here, it got connected here like this. And guys, here it is asking to select the page's name. So the name of my Facebook page is this, trafficking WordPress post. Okay, so I'm going to search for my page from this list. Okay, here it is selected. And here it is asking for the photo URL. So I'm going to map it from the last step, from the switchboard canvas tab where we have created the image. Okay, and if you want to enter any description, you can provide a description as well. You can provide it manually or you can map it from your spreadsheet. So I am mapping the caption from my spreadsheet. Okay, and I'm clicking on save and send test request, and you will see a new post will be created here. Okay, so here I am clicking on save and send test request. And this is the response we have received. A new post ID is showing up here. This means we got a new post. Let us see here. So let me refresh my page. And here you can see, guys, a new post is created and on my page with the same caption, with the same image that we have created with the help of SwitchBoard canvas. Okay, so this is how it is going to work, guys. So we are done setting up this automation, and you have to set up this automation only once. After that, you don't have to do anything in this workflow. After that, whenever you are going to add the details of any image here in this spreadsheet, the image will be created and will be shared from your Facebook page automatically like this, and the workflow is going to run in the background. And guys, you can use the same workflow as well, because I'm going to paste the link of this workflow in the description, and you can clone it in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation instantly. Guys, thank you so much for watching our video, and please let us know how our automation ideas are helping you in the comment section. And if you have any queries related to this application, please ask your queries from this forum link, and do check the pricing of this application from this link. And guys, we are open to ideas. If you want us that we should make videos on other aspects of your business, please do let us know in the comment section. And if you like our work, please subscribe to our channel.